I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi you guys, I'm Barb out here at Guaranty RV. Hopefully this isn't the last video you've ever seen of mine, or I hope it maybe is your first. Today what I'm going to talk to you about is a Jayco White Hawk. So Jayco's been in the industry for a long time, very well known for quality, and they don't disappoint this time either. This is a 27 RB, a fantastic length, easy to get into all of their RV parks, 2 doors, but it isn't the box that's important here. This has a terrific layout. As you walk in the door, you're passing by the outside kitchen, which features a refrigerator as well as a stove area. You come in and it's got a big bathroom in the back. And that offers you all kinds of storage, lots of room, a beautiful, just a nice bathroom. I think it even features a porcelain toilet, which is handy dandy, easy to clean. And then it's got a nice little horseshoe dinette that'll seat more than 5 people. And next to that, you're gonna see Thomas Paine recliners. Those are heated and massaged. And what are you gonna be gazing at? A beautiful fireplace. And the television, of course. And as you move forward after this vehicle, then you enter into the master bedroom, which features a beautiful big window in the front. It also has a bureau with a dresser and a mirror that's closed off. Lots of storage for your personal things. Very comfortable situation. Seeing is believing. I can talk to you till I'm blue in the face about this 27 RB. The White Hawk is known for being a premium line. We've added a couple of extra things to this, and as you look through the pictures, you'll see that it's got oversized tanks and it's got lighting on the front of it. So you can have it out there in the desert, you can have it up in the woods, and everybody's gonna have a good time. So my name is Barbara Balcom. I can be reached at 541-521-4232. Call me up and say, hey, tell me a little bit more about that 27 RB. That White Hawk was awesome. Thank you.